real short little video that might apply more to classical players than to jazz players, but either one. You know, I was playing the other day and I was doing some chords and I was going like this, moving my head around, and I noticed that it gives it kind of a phasing effect, you know, the Doppler effect. When you move your head like this, it occurred to me, maybe this is why subconsciously piano players, you know, especially if they're playing a song with, you know, kind of sustained chords, or, you know, you get this kind of three-dimensional sound when you move your head around. And maybe this is why people move so much when they're playing. And of course, you know, if you move a lot, you start missing notes, and it's not a good idea to sway too much. You know, I started thinking about this for two reasons. One, I just, you know, did a big sway one day like this. And I thought, wow, it'd be interesting to record the piano with a microphone just swaying back and forth, or two microphones maybe. And then I saw a video of Andre Schiff, and I don't know what he was doing. It was kind of a slow song. It might have been this one. And he was like shaking his head, you know, and his cheeks were going back and forth and everything. But then I tried it, you know, and what did I hear? I heard this warbling vibrato in my piano. You try it sometime. I mean, even work with a digital piano, you know. You shake your head like that, and you'll hear this like that. If you ever tuned a piano and you got a ceiling fan overhead, forget it. You know, you can't do it because it makes the sound, you know, have a vibrato. You play better if you have controlled emotion, all right? I know you're feeling the piece and everything,
but empty out emotionally. Empty out. Minimize your emotion. Try it again. Don't feel anything, because anything you're feeling is excessive.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
Try to minimize motion. Even things like tapping your foot, I think, drag you down. If you're trying to stay with the beat, sometimes you have to do it, and it feels right to do it. But in general, you'll feel the rhythm better if you just feel it and not act it out, you know. Okay, there's my thoughts.